Ayan, so I've already reviewed the question, no? Because there, nagkaroon ng konting difference lang, and it impacted the whole uh, question and answers. So, kasi nag-check ako ng reference materials, and according dun sa lahat na nakita ko, yung Z dito, it's not negative, but positive. Okay? It's a positive z-axis. So ngayon, magdo-drawing tayo ng force ay basta line lang for FBD. So ito, this is for positive x. Tapos ito naman is for positive z, no? And this one is for positive y. Yan, positive y. Tapos maglagay tayo ng yan, then ayan yung inclined na B. Okay? Okay. Ngayon, let's go back to the given. Now, sabi dito sa given, meron kang a transmission tower is held by three guy wires anchored by bolts at B, C, and D. The tension in wire AB is 525 pounds. Determine the components of the force exerted by the wire on bolt at B. So, meron tayong given dito na tension in wire AB is 525 pounds. So, that is, ilalagay kong given, no? Given is tension AB, which is equal to 525 pounds, no? Tapos, yung required natin is determine the components, which is Fx, Fy, and Fz. So, dito meron unique na solution, no? Probably dito lang siya magagamit. So, for unique na formula, which is force is equal to force AB is equal to TAB multiplied by lambda AB over absolute value of lambda AB. Okay? So, you might be wondering ano tong lambda AB. So, this one is basically the vector, and this one is basically the scalar. So, sa vector, since vector to, kailangan natin, what we can do here is basically yung formula ng lambda AB, it's lambda R. R is for like parang position, no? So lambda R, delta R is equal to R final minus R initial. Since meron tayong ganito, no? Kailangan natin mag-plot ng coordinate system. So, yung gusto kong i-plot dyan na tatlo, it's O, which is the origin. Tapos, 0, 0, 0. Ito. Tapos, si A, which is A equals, A is 0, 100, and 0. While si B, no, yung plotted points niya ay, since this is X, di ba? Positive X. This is negative X. So, using di ba? Ito yung from ito. For positive to. Tapos, yung dito naman, negative. So, since yung 20 degrees daw, dito siya, tatama siya there. Therefore, this is negative 20. Negative 20 kasi nasa banda siya ng negative x-axis. Tapos, yung it's, anong tawag dito? Yung dun sa y, it's 0. At yung pinakahuli, it's yung sa z. Yung sa z naman, tatama siya dito. It's positive 25. So, positive 25. Okay? Now, using this, no, we can find FAB. Yun. Okay? So, TAB. Tapos, eto niyan, gagawin lang natin dito is RF, no, minus RI in terms of I plus RF minus RI or RI since initial terms of J plus RF minus RI in terms of K over yung Pythagorean theorem nung sagot dito. And since scalar to, dapat positive sila. So, ilalat ko na lang to as, let's say, G, X, GX plus GY plus GZ. Yan. Ano lang, let lang yan ng sagot dito. Okay? Tapos, since, di ba, ayan, naka-positive, naka-absolute value siya dahil scalar nga. Okay? Ngayon, let us substitute and by the way, our final natin, I will let it as yung A, tapos yung our initial natin, since nagsimula tayo dun sa B, yan yung initial natin. So, using this formula, FAB is equal to, yung tension at AB is 525, no? 525 equals yung RF minus RI natin. So, RF natin, so A, basically ito yung gagamitin natin. In terms of I, 0 minus negative 20 I plus 100 minus 0 J plus 0 minus 25K. Tapos, ito, square root. I mean, nakalimutan ko Pythagorean theorem pala, di ba? So, dapat naka-square yan. So, yung sagot dito, it's 20 squared plus 100 squared plus negative 25 squared. So, basically, parang in-advance ko lang yung sagot. Ito, yung in-advance ko lang yung sagot nito papunta dito. Kaya nakuha ko yung nasa baba. But anyway, simplifying it, so 5AB equals 525. Tapos, this one is 20I plus 100J minus 25K over, ito, square root of 11025, no? So, and actually, dapat pala positive to kasi naka-scalar, no? But still, kahit negative rin naman yan, parehas lang naman. Since mas square naman yan. Ayan. So, FAB is equal to 525. Tapos, ito nyan, it's 20I plus 100J minus 25K over 105. And ito, mga cancel to, magiging tong 5. So, FAB is equal to distribute, no? Distribute 5. Magiging tong 100I plus 500J minus 125K. And alam naman natin, I is Fx. Alam naman natin, J is Fy. And alam naman natin na K is Fz. Therefore, the answer is Fx equals 100 newtons. Fy is equal to 500 newtons. And Fz is equal to negative 125 newtons. Therefore, this is the answer. Yeah. Yun lang. Whew. Nag-gets ko din to. And that's it for lesson 2.